Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm General May Sudayon, 37 years old, married, have two children, 19 and 16 years old.
Okay, how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have two brothers and two sisters.
Okay, and number what are you among your siblings?
I'm second among the family.
Okay, and what is your education?
I'm a high school graduate.
Okay, so are you the one taking care of your grown-up children since their
Yes,
birth?
ma'am.
Okay, and who will look after your children if you work abroad?
My husband.
Do you have a work experience as a domestic helper abroad before?
No, ma'am, but I have worked here in Philippines as a domestic helper for almost 7 years for two employers.
Okay, so please tell me about your two employers here in the Philippines.
In my first employer, I worked for 3 years. I served 4 persons, the couple, and the two children aged 7 and 12 years old.
And what are your household chores?
My duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, ironing, washing, marketing, and taking care of the two children.
And how about in your second employer?
And my second employer, I worked for 4 years. I served 4 persons, the couple, and the two children aged 2 and 5 years old. And my duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, washing, ironing, and taking care of the two children.
Okay, so in your two employers here in the Philippines, is there another helper?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so it means you are the only one taking care of all the household chores and taking care of the kids.
Yes, ma'am.
So how would you describe your employers? Are they good to you?
Yes, ma'am.
And how would you describe yourself as a worker?
I'm simple, honest, responsible, loyal, hardworking, and trustworthy.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Do you have a surgical operation or serious sickness before?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad just to provide for the studies of my children and to earn money to support my family.
Okay, and what time you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep at 10 p.m. after done working and wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning.
In Hong Kong, kids are super active but sometimes they tend to be out of control. So how will you control your temper?
I have long patience and more of understanding.
Okay, and if you are homesick, what would you do?
I will focus on my job and remind myself that I need this job for my family.
Do you have an allergy to a certain food?
No, ma'am.
Do you accept no day off but instead to be paid by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, ma'am.
And can you sing, by the way, can you sing a nursery song for baby or kids?
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha.
Okay, thank you. Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
And are you willing to share a room with the kids and elder in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if the baby is sick?
I will inform my employer that the baby is sick.
Okay, and do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise to finish your contract with your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
And can you please say a short message to your future employers?
Good morning, ma'am, sir. Please choose me as your helper. I'm honest, responsible, loyal, hardworking, and trustworthy.
Okay, so could you promise also to your future employer that you will love their children like your own child?
Yes, ma'am.
And can you also promise that you will serve their family with all your heart?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's all for today and thank you for coming.